Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. We are on to book number 2 from the Bridgerton Once Upon a Book Club box. I am going to be sharing with you guys today all of the gifts that I opened for the second book, which is The Viscount Who Loved Me. And you can see I am using my very beautiful lace gloves that came with the box. So if you would like to see the unboxing of the Bridgerton box and just me showing everything wrapped, you can go ahead and check out the video above because I did share an unboxing when I received it in the mail. But if you would like to see the actual gifts that coincided with each book, stay tuned because today I'm going to share all of the gifts that I opened up for the second book in this series. And last week I shared with you guys everything from the first book, which was The Duke and I. So I have to say, everything was very well done with the gifts that coincided with the story, and I am just really excited to share that with you. Stay tuned at the end of the video because once I share with you all of the gifts that I received that went along with this particular book, The Viscount Who Loved Me, I will talk a little bit about the book itself at the end of the video if you're curious to know more about it. Okay, so without further ado, let's open up all of the gifts from Once Upon a Book Club, The Viscount Who Loved Me. Okay, so I have started The Viscount Who Loved Me and I made it to page 140. So I get to open my first gift in this book and they're talking about a key. So I'm wondering if this could possibly be a key. It kind of feels like it because it's heavy and it kind of feels like it's probably going to be a key. When I did the Halloween Once Upon a Book Club unboxing, there was also a key in that, so it's a key, and I think it's like very similar to the one that I had. I am going to have to go take a look and see if this is exactly the same key that was in the Halloween box, but it is very similar. And this has a piece of lace tied around it. These are fun, especially because I do live in a old Victorian house, so I can leave things like this laying around and they just make for very cute, unique items to kind of leave around the house. But let me go check and see what the keys looked like in my Halloween box. Okay, so these are the keys from the Halloween box. This is much more substantial. It's kind of the same weight and same style key kind of, but yeah, there's like a whole bunch of keys here. And this was probably one of the best boxes that I've opened, was the Halloween box. There were a lot of fun things in there. You guys can check out that video too. But yes, here are my keys from the last unboxing. And here's the one from the box, just so you can see like a side-by-side comparison. They are pretty similar. We finally made it to page 279, and in this part of the book, they are drinking tea. So I'm very curious to see what is in this box. I'm wondering if it has anything to do with the drinking of tea, and we shall see. Oh my gosh, this is way better than what I was anticipating. Look at this beautiful little teacup. How adorable. This is really cute. Oh, it says something. What does it say? Ah, gentle reader, this author is pleased to report from Miss Whistledown. This is really, really cute. What a nice gift. I think there's even more in here. I think there's a little... Oh no, it's broken. Oh, that stinks. It comes on a little plate, but the plate is broken. How sad. I guess I'll reach out to the company and see if they can do something about that. Aw, that's too bad. Really a cute idea though. I wish it weren't broken. That's kind of awful. But hopefully, maybe they'll send some type of a replacement for it. I don't know, we'll see. That was really cute though, I love it. Okay, so I just sent a message out to them in the chat. I'll let you guys know how I make out. I am up to page 342 and they're having tea again. So I am going to open up this package and see if it has anything to do with having tea. I feel like it could possibly be some tea bags or something, but we shall see what this is. Yep, I am correct. It is some tea bags. We have Ginger Peach by a company called Stash. I did hear about this before when I was doing like a monthly tea subscription box for a while. And Breakfast in Paris. I feel like I really liked this one. What is in this? Black tea, lavender, bergamot oil, and vanilla extract. I'm pretty sure I've had this before and it's really good. And then finally a chai tea, golden turmeric chai. Very nice. And I have my little teacup that I can enjoy it in with my broken plate. And by the way, the company did get back to me and they said that they cannot sadly replace this for me, but they're going to send me a credit of sorts. So I'm still waiting on that. I'll let you guys know what the credit is and how I receive it. Hopefully they're just going to credit our credit card rather than giving me a credit towards another purchase, which is going to only benefit them. So we'll see. So this is everything now. We have the key, the teacup, and then the teas to go along with the teacup. So that was really cute. I was really happy with that. I think they did a great job. And there goes the birds. I have my bird feeder right here and they keep coming to get food every time I'm over here filming. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed seeing all of the gifts that came out of the Bridgerton box from The Viscount Who Loved Me by Julia Quinn. And this book, so this book was my least favorite in the series and I still very much enjoyed it. The storyline was really interesting. It was more fun. The characters that we follow, of course, we're still following the Bridgerton family. And this time we're following Anthony. And the book begins with learning how Anthony's father passed away. And Anthony is just, he likes to party and he's not ready to settle down and get married. And even when he does decide to get married, he doesn't really want to have a great connection with his wife. He's more thinking of a partnership, business associate kind of a thing. He's not really looking to fall in love. And then we follow two sisters, Edwina and Kate. And Kate is the older sister and she's trying really hard to help her younger sister find a husband, although she herself needs to find one as well. So at one of the many balls, because when you're reading Bridgerton books, you know, if you've started to read the series, you do end up going to lots of balls. And during one of the balls, Kate meets up with Anthony and Edwina is considering looking to Anthony as a husband. And again, I'm just kind of telling you the beginning of the story, so I don't think that's a spoiler. I'm not going to tell you what happens throughout, but this is just kind of how the book begins. Anyway, Anthony is just, what do they call him? They use a specific word, a rake. I think that's the word that they use. He's kind of a player. He's known to have been with a lot of women, and Kate really does not want to see her younger sister Edwina end up with this man because she thinks that she can do a lot better. She thinks that Anthony is going to hurt her in the end. So Kate and Anthony just have this relationship where they are always poking at each other and arguing, but it's quite comical. And they both have a similar thing where Anthony has this very odd fear of something, just some psychological things that he deals with, and Kate also does. And the thing that they kind of deal with throughout their lives, just this one thing that scares them, bothers them, that they carry with them. I'm not going to tell you details of that. But to me, that part of it was a little bit odd and it was a little bit unrealistic. And I know that we all have things that maybe we overreact about, or we just can't mentally get past certain things, even though we know that maybe it's an unlikely thing, but we still are fearful of certain things. They both had their one thing that they were really fearful of, and they couldn't get past it. And that part of it just kind of threw me off, because I just felt like it was a little much. If you read the book, maybe you know exactly what I'm talking about. It was a little bit over the top. But aside from that, it was a great story. I really did very much enjoy it. I have read the third book at this point, and I'll be talking about that one next week. This one was my least favorite in the series, but I did still very much enjoy it. And I know there's lots more. I've only read the first 3, so I know there are a lot more books in the series that I'm looking forward to trying out. But anyway, that's my very odd synopsis of this story. And I hope that you enjoyed, once again, seeing all the gifts that I opened. It really was a lot of fun to kind of share it with you real time as I was opening it. So I hope you're enjoying seeing that and following along. And I hope that you will come back next week and see everything that I opened in book number 3, which, by the way, was my favorite book in the series. Okay, until next time, I hope you're all doing well. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you next time. Take care. Bye.